In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background of your slides in Google Slides efficiently and creatively. Whether you're aiming to enhance your presentation's impact or personalize it to reflect your style, modifying slide backgrounds is a simple yet powerful tool. So, let's get started. First things first, open your presentation in Google Slides, where all the magic happens. Once you're in, take a moment to select the specific slide you want to modify. You can do this by clicking on its thumbnail over on the left side of your screen. This will ensure that any changes you make will be applied to the correct slide. Next, let's navigate to the top of the screen where you'll find the menu. From there, head over to the option labeled Slide. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, click on Change Background. This action will prompt a dialog box to pop up offering you some exciting options for customizing your slide. Now, in this dialog box, you've got two main routes you can take to change your slide's background. First, there's color. Choosing this option opens up a palette where you can select a solid color from an array of default options. If none of these suit your needs, don't worry. Google Slides also allows you to create a custom color. You can do this by entering a specific hex code or adjusting the RGB settings to get that perfect shade. The second option available is Image. If your vision for your slide includes an engaging backdrop, then this is the option for you. Simply click on Choose Image, and a new window will appear, offering several ways to find and upload your chosen image. You might choose to upload one directly from your computer. Or maybe you prefer to select an image you've stored in Google Drive. Alternatively, if you have an image's URL, you can paste it here too. There's plenty of flexibility to ensure that the image you want is easily used. Once you've decided on either a color or an image and have made your selection, it's time to finalize your changes. If you're happy with just altering the background of the single slide you selected, go ahead and click on Done. This will apply your choice only to that particular slide, leaving the rest of your presentation unchanged. However, if you feel that the new background aligns perfectly with your entire presentation and want it replicated across all slides, then choose Add to Theme. Sometimes this option appears as Apply to All. Don't be alarmed, it serves the same purpose. Once that's clicked, finalize your decision by selecting Done, and voila! Your chosen background has now become the theme for your entire presentation. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to convey your message more effectively through the visual clarity and appeal of your presentation. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!